Choosing your cut. The foundation of flavor. Picking the right steak is important for a tasty meal. For beginners, go for a ribeye. It's tender and has lots of flavor, thanks to the marbling, those white lines of fat. New York strip is another good choice. Want something budget-friendly? Sirloin is leaner, but still packs a punch. When you're at the store, look for steaks that are at least an inch thick. Thicker steaks cook more evenly. The color should be bright red, a sign of freshness. Don't be afraid to ask the butcher for their recommendation. They're the experts. Marinades and rubs. Enhancing natural deliciousness. Marinating your steak adds tons of flavor. A simple marinade with olive oil, garlic, and herbs is perfect. Just mix it up, add your steak, and let it sit in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. You can even marinate overnight for a more intense flavor. If you're short on time, a dry rub is the way to go. Salt, pepper, paprika, and garlic powder make a great combo. Pat the rub all over the steak before grilling. Remember, a little goes a long way. Grilling with confidence from Sear to Sizzle. Grilling a steak is easier than you think. Make sure your grill is nice and hot. You want those beautiful sear marks. Place the steak on the grill and don't touch it. Let it cook for a few minutes on each side to get a nice crust. To check for doneness, use a meat thermometer. Rare is 125 degrees Fahrenheit. Medium rare is 130 degrees, medium is 140 degrees, and well done is 160 degrees. Remember to let the steak rest for a few minutes after grilling. This allows the juices to redistribute, making it even more tender. Section 4. Doneness. Finding your perfect steak. Knowing when your steak is cooked just the way you like it is key. We use a meat thermometer for accuracy, but you can also use the touch test. Press your finger lightly on the steak. If it feels soft, it's rare. Slightly springy means medium rare. Firm means medium. Very firm means well done. Don't be scared to experiment with different levels of doneness. You might surprise yourself with what you enjoy. And remember, it's always better to undercook it than overcook it. You can always pop it back on the grill if needed. Section 5. Common mistakes. Avoiding grilling pitfalls. One common mistake is not letting the steak come to room temperature before grilling. Cold meat takes longer to cook evenly. Another mistake is flipping the steak too many times. Let it sear on one side before flipping. And don't forget to let it rest. Grilling is all about having fun and enjoying the process. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how you learn. With a little practice, you'll be a grill master in no time. Happy grilling.